To maintain the effectiveness of adhesive bras, regular hand washing is crucial to remove oil and dirt that interfere with adhesion. Use a few drops of hand soap or a specialized bra cleanser mixed with warm water to gently clean the adhesive surface using your fingertips in a circular motion. If needed, immerse the entire bra in soapy water and swish it around, then rinse thoroughly under warm running water. Allow the bra to air dry on a flat surface with the adhesive side facing up, or hang it to drip dry. Store it in its original packaging or a Ziploc bag to keep it lint-free. Always hand wash after each use. Never machine wash or dry to prolong the life of the bra. Avoid using towels or sponges on the adhesive to prevent damage.